All right, guys, I want to go over my long trade for today. So, yes, in yesterday's video, I said that if we break the previous session's high, we're likely to take out the all-time high, which is exactly what just happened. We made a new all-time high. Now, I want to show you the context behind that and why I had the confidence to get into longs this morning. And I also used a new tool on Motive Wave, and we'll get into what I saw there. The first context. So if we go to the hourly, okay, this level, as we know, has been resilient. And yesterday's pre-market overnight session, we came into that, bounced off of that, and we had a trending day. Now, I've talked about this EMA multiple times, and the way that we held this EMA at demand showed me that the buyers were in control since pre-market. 15-minute, we had demand here as well, which we held pre-market. Okay, on NQ, it looked even better on the hourly with that EMA hold. Okay, and NQ was the weaker index this morning. Okay, so the weaker index we want to see hold support. Okay, so there's a lot of context that went into this one. Now, NQ support was this key level, VWAP, and ES was also at VWAP and a key level. Okay, now if we go to the, I didn't get in here. It looked really good to get in, but I didn't want to be longing this at right below the high. I wanted to see price break the high and then look for a way to get in. Right. So it looked really good. If we go to the footprint, you can see at the open, right, under this key level, all of this selling that was happening and price couldn't come down. Okay. So that would have been a good entry. But again, I didn't find that the R ratio was good because that would have been a target of 10 points, more or less 10 points. Not terrible, but not great in my opinion. So, where I got in, I'm going to show you on this heat map. Open that up. Okay. I didn't take a picture of the timestamp, but at this area here, this was a lot of buying orders came in. Okay. And you can see on the right side, this is the delta. So that was 3,000 positive delta. And if you look here, you can see that this was getting supported after that buying volume came in. Every time we dipped into it, it got bought up. Okay. That was 58.10. Okay. That was this level right here. So this is where I got my longs. Right. We broke above here, previous day high. And then I saw that big order come in, and that's where I made my entry after I saw it hold, like I showed you here. Okay. Now, my target was 58.30, which was the previous all-time high, and that was a great trade. Now, something else I want to go over, which was very interesting to me, was this was my first area where I did trim, but I want to show you something very interesting on the heat map that happened there. Okay, 822.25. It's a bit hard to look at, I know, but 822.25. This is the same level at that resistance, that old supply. Okay, so look what happened when we came into it. It was rejecting it, right? But right before we came into that, an offer got filled here, right? Aggressive buying took out some offers that were sitting here, And look what happened when we came back into it. See that? It held. It held here. And then we made the break. So even right here, right, positive delta, all this selling that was happening here, it was actually an aggressive buyer. So there were passive sell orders sitting here, but an aggressive buyer bought all of that up. And you can see it dipped back into it, and then we broke into new all-time highs. So this is like literally my first day using this, and I can already see the benefits and how it already uh, adapts to my trading style. So this, what I can say about this is that maybe it can help me hold trades longer. As far as entry points, definitely seeing this 810 hold, right? The one thing I don't like about it is that the historical data doesn't last for the doesn't show you the entire day. So that's where Bookmap might be a little better. So I'm experimenting for now, but you can see right here 1031. That's where that volume came in, and then it held. I got in around this area when I saw it holding. So that's it for now. We'll see if anything else happens. I'll come back on here. If not, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and subscribe if you're learning anything. Thanks for watching.